reshape the matrix. This question gives us a 2D array and two integers R and C representing the size of the new array. So the gist of it is for a given array, it's trying to reshape it to a different size, right? So if the size is different, like the total number of elements is different from the original one, then we simply return the original array. This example denotes they are the same size. We are going to fill the new array from a row traversing order. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So first row and then second row. Okay. So having a more complex example, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, which is a 2 by 4 array, and the new array is 4 by 2, for example, right? So for each of the element, we are going to figure out what is the position. For example, this one. So we're going to try to figure out how do we fill this out based on the original array. So note that we know this element is what is the order of the traversing. So in here it's going to be 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is going to be 6, right? This is the order it's trying to traverse. And then now the question becomes, how do we figure out the row and then column number for element 6 in the original array, right? So notice that if we divide 6 by the column count of the original array, which is 4, and we're gonna get 1, right? So 1 is going to be our row number of this element. And then if we modular 6 by 4, which is the column count, then we're gonna have a 2, which is the column number of this element. So 1 is the row number, 2 is going to be the column number. Then we know that how do we find 6? How do we find the element actually in here, right? And based on that, we will populate this value with the corresponding position from the original array. And then we do it so on and so forth for every single element. Right, this is our intuition. So let's take a look at the code. So like we were mentioning before, so this is the size of the old array, and we're gonna first compare the size with the new size. If they are not equal to each other, then we return the old array directly, right? So otherwise, we have initialized our new array with the new size and iterating through every single element, calculate the order of the element, and then do a divide by the column number, and then do a modulus by a column number. So this will give us the row number and the column number respectively. Finally, assign the corresponding element to the new array. Then after the 2 nested for loops, we are able to populate the new array, and then we're going to return the result.